Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video we're going to do the unboxing of the latest budget smartphone from Xiaomi in India, the Xiaomi Redmi 8A. So Xiaomi Redmi 8A is the latest version which is replacing the Redmi 7A, which was announced a few months back. So now we have an upgrade in terms of the hardware, the specifications, and this is one of the important aspects because you get to see a 5000 mAh capacity battery on the Redmi 8A. So that's one important upgrade over the previous version. So you can see that that is a highlight of the device. It also has a 6.2 inches HD plus resolution display, Snapdragon 439 octa-core processor, and we also have a 12 megapixel Sony IMX363 sensor with 6p lens and dual face detection autofocus, and it also has an 8 megapixel front camera with AI portrait mode. This has 2GB RAM as well as 3GB RAM. Both have 32GB internal storage, and a dedicated SD card support is there. AI face unlock is there. Something which is missing is the fingerprint scanner. It also has Gorilla Glass 5 protection, and P2I splash proof nano coating is also included. So this is the Redmi 8A. We're going to do the unboxing. So you can see that 5000 mAh capacity battery and Qualcomm Snapdragon 439 octa-core processor. Now we have everything mentioned here. Gorilla Glass 5 support. So this device comes retails for 6499, that's a 2GB RAM, and 6999 is the 3GB RAM, and this will go on sale starting Flipkart on 29th of September. So let's unbox this. So opening up the box, you can see the device on the top. So there you go. We have a small box here. So let's see. It has the manual and warranty information and the SIM ejector pin. So this is the warranty information, and let's see if SAR value is mentioned. So you can see that the SAR value is mentioned. So India SAR is head SAR is 0.339 and body SAR is 1. So that's the SAR value of this device. So that's the information included here. Then we have the device here. So let's just take this out. So you can see that this is the Redmi 8A. So the important aspect is the design. The back of the device looks really good. We have this new design, 2 SIM cards, and the SD card slot is included. Let's peel off these stickers. So we have the blue variant, and this is the 2GB RAM and 32GB internal storage variant. So we have the 12 megapixel camera, Redmi branding, and designed by Xiaomi. So this looks really good, this new material pattern. We have this matte finish on this back panel. You can see this is a matte finish. It actually looks pretty good. And let's boot the device. So the bottom section, you can see one of the most important upgrades. It's USB Type-C port, the 3.5mm audio jack, and the speaker unit. The right side houses the power and volume keys. The top section does not have any opening slots, and here we have the dual SIM cards, and it also has a dedicated SD card slot. So let's boot the device. So in the meantime, let's see what else comes inside the box. Now this device also supports 18-watt fast charging, but inside the box you get that standard 10-watt charger. So 18 watt you can buy additional chargers and use it on the device. Now we also have the standard charging and data syncing cable. It's a USB Type-C port. That's another important aspect, as I said before. Now let's have a look at the device. So now we have booted the device. So you can see this is the Redmi 8A with the 6.22 inches display. It's an HD plus dot notch display, 19:9 aspect ratio, and Gorilla Glass 5 support. So you can see the display quality looks quite okay. For the budget segment, this definitely looks quite good. We have the viewing angles and the touch response being pretty good overall. No major issues, and it has a 5000 mAh capacity battery as well. So overall the build quality is also really good, especially the design language and the matte finish, and the back panel looks pretty solid. Now let's have a look at the software. So this runs on MIUI, and we have Android 9.0. So let's go to the settings panel, and you can see all the features generally you see on the MIUI. You get here app lock, dual app support, support for themes, digital well-being is included. Then so these things you have seen on any Mi smartphone, so nothing's changed here. Now let's have a look at the camera. So that's one important upgrade. This is the Sony IMX363 sensor, so it should be able to give you some really good imaging ability. So this is the UI. So we have the short video, portrait mode, pro mode is included, AI mode, HDR mode. So these are the things included, and video recording. Let's have a look at the options. So video quality, you can see that we have 1080p at 30 fps and 720p at 30 fps is included. That's quite good because it's more of a budget smartphone, price 6499 and 6999. So now let's have a look at some of the samples you have taken. Here are some samples you have taken with the Redmi 8A after unboxing the device. So we'll be coming up with a detailed camera review soon, so stay tuned for that. Now another important upgrade is the 5000 mAh large capacity battery, which should be able to give you like 1.5 or 2 days of battery life. So we'll also be testing the charging time and battery life on the Redmi 8A. So that was unboxing and hands-on with the Redmi 8A. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do hit that like button and also hit that subscribe button for more videos. This is Numal signing off. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.